ลัดฟ้าถึงเมืองไทยก็เปิดให้สื่อเข้าพบทันทีเมื่อช่วงบ่ายวันจันทร์สำหรับวงโฟล์กร็อก Mumford Sons เจ้าของ2รางวัลแกรมมี่จากอังกฤษเพื่อยืนยันความพร้อม3วันก่อนหน้าที่คอนเสิร์ต Mumford Sons Live in Bangkok โชว์แรกของพวกเขาในไทยจะระเบิดฟอร์มการที่ GMM Live House Central World ในวันพฤหัสบดีที่ 21 พฤศจิกายนนี้
สวัสดีครับ
My words are empty vessels if I do nothing.
I believe it's the first time for all of us. We're very excited to be here, and we've literally just come off the plane from Taipei, and it feels amazing to be here, honestly.
I think we'll find a way.
We're now a year into this tour for Delta, and I think before this tour we were tired, and somehow this tour has sort of re-energized us and made us feel really excited to be playing these songs again. I think something about going into smaller rooms, because in America and in Europe they've been quite big rooms, and on this tour they're smaller rooms, and there's something about that I think that reminds us of being sort of teenagers again, and we love that, and we've really enjoyed these intimate experiences with fans in places we've never been to before.
I'm really keen to go, and I wanted to see the Wat Po, Reclining Buddha. It sounds really vibey. Try and explore a little bit of the history and some of the culture.
Yeah, we're huge fans of Thai food, and in England it's probably slightly different to real Thai food. So we've got a lot of recommendations, a long list of places to go and visit to eat. So we're very excited about that.
Kapu Krab.
When it's all